everyone. So now I'm going to show you how you can use in instance method. So when you want to just check that particular object you have created uh, belongs to the same class or another class, so with the using of this you can just check it. Sometimes what happen, we are importing that different class into our class and we want to just check that particular object is belong to like that class or not. So let me just show you how you can just check that it. So the purpose of this function is to use how you can just check particular object belongs to this class or not. So how you can just check it? We have a built-in um, instance in instance function into that Python. So you need to just check particular object. That particular object belongs to my class or not. You need to just pass my class. We are checking this particular object is belongs to my class or not. So let me just print it. It will give you the Boolean value true and false. And basically it is used for conditional programming with the if statement. So let me just show you and run this program. So this program already seen you. I written the earlier to introduce you what is a in itself or another thing, as well as the the same class I'm using it with the using of uh, this particular code, and how you can just check the object with this uh, my class belongs or not. So this object is belongs to my class. If this object is not belonging to my class, so suppose my current class name is my class and this I am just deleting with my class and run it again, so it will give a false, or it will give my class is not defined. So this is not defined. So when you're using the with if statement, so I'm using with if object belongs to this particular class or not. So if yes, then it will print any message you can paste. Yes, this is. And when I'll run it, so you will get the this like yes, it's belong. So this is the way you can just check it. Thank you so much.